This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Rachael Smith. Coming soon. This 2-story 3-bedroom 2.5-bath home boasts a large fenced yard with a play structure and garden potential. Secure in the gated community, replete with all the amenities the HOA has to offer. Modern fixtures and all butcher block counters and the open format kitchen with bamboo flooring and adorable sliding barn doors, this house is ready to be made a home. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachael Smith at 707-596-2742.